everybody. Happy Halloween! My favorite day aside from Christmas. And once this day is over, I'm going to be one of those people that a lot of you hate that turns my full attention to Christmas. Glorious, beautiful Christmas. But for today, we're going to have some spooky fun. Opening some 2018 Trinity. You've seen me open this before. It is a high risk, possibly high reward product because you can pull stuff like this. And I did from other boxes pull some really incredible patches, but they were not necessarily of really incredible players, or not that we know of yet. These are rookie cards, so there's 6 autographs per box. We should get something sweet out of here, whether it's, well, hey, you know what? I did pull the Pete Alonso clear cut autograph out of one of the boxes, and an Acuna clear cut, I think, out of one of these boxes. I think this is my 3rd or 4th one. But anyways, we are going to get into it. There is lots and lots of potential here. I think I have pulled a redemption one time, I think, out of one of these. I think just once. I'm trying to remember. After you open so many boxes, everything starts to just kind of blend together. Hang on, let me pull these out without looking at them. I'm trying to remember how I did this before. I never can remember. Alright, there's the empty box. Not looking at the stack. Put them under here, I guess. Alright. See if we can do it like this. I'll just reach around. Alright. First one. Parker Meadows clear cut green. 6 out of 10. When I saw this, I thought this was another Alonso. Still a really cool card. I didn't think about the clear cut coming in different parallel versions, because the others I got were not numbered. So Parker Meadows, not bad. That's a decent start. Alright, next up is Logan Gilbert, who I have heard of. He is, he's got autographs in Bowman's Best. I pulled one up, and I think he's in Bowman Chrome too. There's something on the, make sure that's not on the card. Looks like the, yeah, it was on the case. Case is cracked. I'm not going to see it in this light, but it's got a, so go Mariners. Logan Gilbert. Alright. God, these cards look so good. It's ridiculous. Another Go Pirates. O'Neal Cruz. That's not bad at all either. I think he was international, like a Dominican Republic player maybe. Again, so many players, it all starts to blend together, but I think I read up on him when I pulled some of it. I have some of his autographs from Elite Extra Edition, and I read up on him, and I think I'm correct in saying that he was from the Dominican Republic. I think. Somebody comment below and let me know if I'm right or wrong. Next up, there we go. Matthew Liberatore patch. I also have pulled his autographs out of Bowman's Best. Not numbered. It looks kind of bronzish. But I guess not. Really nice patch though. And on card ink. I think all of these. I think everything in here is on card, I think. Alright, we're down to the last two. This, oh, a button. Alexander Canario 5 out of 5 button. That's nice. That is clearly a parallel. Looks silver, I think. Man, buttons are kind of cool. Not sure, although you can't really see it in this light. Kind of do that, but then I get the reflection of the light. Anyways, you get it. Nice. Alright, last one. What we got? What we got? Give me a patch. Oh, there's a patch. Fernando Tatis Jr. crazy patch. Yes. Not a parallel, but man, is that nice. That is a nice little cut. On card Tatis Jr. Baby. Happy Halloween. Nice. I love this stuff. Right now, I'll go ahead and tell you, Charm City cards, which I'm always touting touting them because they have such great prices. They have these boxes on sale right now. So if you want one, check them out. Alright, that's it. Well, let's look back through just for the heck of it, because man, these are some crazy cards. These look so good. I need another box of this. I need a case of this. It's incredible. I love these personalized. And I like the clear cut too, although these do not photograph or scan very well at all. But anywho, that's it. Hope everybody has a great and safe Halloween. It's raining here, but it's supposed to stop, so maybe we'll go out later. Obviously, I'm too old for trick-or-treating, but that's okay. Doesn't mean we can't have fun on Halloween, does it? Everybody take care of yourself. Love you guys. I'll see you again soon.